Hello and welcome to this video series on the Oral History Metadata Synchronizer, or OHMS for short. My name is Wyatt and I am with the Oral History in the Liberal Arts Initiative. In this video, I will show you how to create a new project, insert metadata, and link your interview media with OHMS. So to start a new project, the first thing you're going to need to do is go to the OHMS Manager website and log in. The website is ohms.uky.edu. Once you've logged in, you'll see this page right here, which has all of your interview projects in it. And each interview project has a button for metadata, indexing, uploading your transcript, and synchronizing your transcript. We'll get to all these buttons at a different point in time. Right now, we're going to create a new project. And to do that, all you have to do is hit the new button. After clicking this button, you will now be brought to the metadata editor screen. In this screen, you will fill in most of the metadata that people will see at the top of your OHMS project when your project is complete. And as you can see, there are a ton of forms to fill in here, but we do not need to worry about all of them right now. For now, we're just going to give it a title. And if I were to actually make an interview project, I would write the name of the interviewee and the name of the interviewer, as well as the date. But again, this is pretty much the bare minimum of what you're going to want to enter for your OHMS project. Eventually, you're going to want to come up with a collection ID number and an accession number. As I talked about in the previous video, OHMS is not a media repository, and you must upload your media to an external website. For audio, we recommend uploading either to your repository's website, such as the OLA website if you're working on an OLA-funded project, or to a website like the Internet Archive. For video, it is recommended that you upload your interview to YouTube. You can turn off the privacy settings to unlisted if you do not want others to see your video on YouTube. In this next section, I will show you how to upload your audio to the OLA website and then link it with your OHMS project. These steps should work for any WordPress website. So the first thing you're going to need to do to upload audio to the OLA website is go to ola.info/wp-admin/ and log in. After you've logged in, you will be brought to the WordPress dashboard page. To upload your media, you're going to need to go over to the Media tab over here. Hit Add New, and then choose File. So we're going to choose Larry Rubin interview.mp3, hit Open, and then Upload. So once your file finishes uploading, which may take a while depending on the file size, you will automatically be taken to the media library. Once you're at this page, you will locate your interview, which should be located right here, and you will click on the name. You will then be brought to this page, which has the URL of your file. So you're going to need to copy and paste this file URL into the OHMS Manager. So I'm clicking it, Command-C to copy, or Control-C if you're on a PC. And then I go back to the metadata editor page with my project, and I paste the URL right here into the media URL field. After pasting your URL, you're going to need to tell OHMS what kind of URL you just used. So since we have an MP3, this means our file is an audio file, so we're going to select audio for the media format, and our media host is host. When you click the host button, you're telling OHMS that your URL is linking directly to the media file, directly to where it's hosted. So you can tell that you are linking to a host file when the URL ends with the name of your file and the file extension. So you're going to use host anytime you upload to WordPress to link your file or to archive.org. So if we were using video, we would instead choose video, and then if we were using YouTube, we'd select YouTube. Or if we were on SoundCloud, we'd do audio and SoundCloud. But we are audio and host. And that's how you link your file to OHMS. After that, you just navigate down here to the bottom and hit Save, and your project will be saved. One thing which is important to note is that when you enter a link into the media URL, it must begin with HTTP and not HTTPS. HTTPS means that it is a secure link, and OHMS will not be able to access that link if it is HTTPS. All you have to do is delete the S so your link turns to an HTTP link. After the basic metadata is filled out, such as the title, the interviewee, the interviewer name, and the interview date, you're ready to move on to the next step, which is formatting your transcript and uploading it, or if you're not using a transcript, for indexing.